I want to see if anybody can help me figure out what this device is. It's some sort of a electronic box. It's making that discrete noise, or that noise that sounds like a modem of some sort. You can see it has a wire that goes up here, and it cuts off. One goes over there, I can't see where it goes. And then this one, you can see it goes up to some sort of antenna right up here. That light is actually the moon in the background behind the clouds, so disregard that. But it's some sort of just a wire that goes down and it goes into the box here. I'll leave a recording for a minute and maybe somebody can tell me what it's transmitting or what it is. I'll just set it here for a second and you guys can tell me, hopefully. Okay, so if you can help me figure out what this box is, I'm just curious. It's kind of interesting. Makes noise and has a bunch of wires coming out of it. What could be? There's nothing that could be more interesting for a computer nerd like me. So, anyways, if you know what it is, help me out. Leave a comment and please like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.